Morning YouTube. I just had a good night sleep here. Finished my breakfast, had some coffee, nice morning fire. This is my lean-to. I will show you in a minute. That's where I came from. Here's a hill. It's quite shady, but well, here's the flat side. Hi, good morning. Well, I slept very nicely here in my lean-to. Okay, I will show you the Cabela's Hunter's Bivouac. Basically, it's just a little A-frame tent. You see this awning? I made an awning of it. You can zip it shut and you have a little A-frame tent just for one person. It's big enough to lay down, put some gear inside. I use my life jacket there as a pillow, but now with the use of the awning I can put some gear here. Last night I put some wood here to keep dry, and well, I made some changes on it. First of all, it doesn't come with this mosquito netting. I made it, stitch it on. I stitched Velcro on it so you can remove it all, and you can have it hanging down. It's just so. Other features I did are these little wings. This I borrowed the idea from the leanto. In this way, when I use this as an open awning, it will rain inside. So, but now I have a little roof. Also, when you make a different position, it still is usable. Also, I made some extra tie-outs, like this one in the middle. That's good. So when it's raining, you can leave the awning like that. At the back, here is a window. This window, you can shut it down with Velcro. But like this, I did it like this tonight, so if it would rain it would be okay, and I could have a look outside, and also very good ventilation. These tie-outs, I made them extra, so it gives a little bit more room inside. Just let it hang down, the mosquito netting, put some woods on it, or you just put your pack on it and it will close. Here the Velcro is loose. No mosquitoes allowed here. lean-to comes with 4 of these little poles, and you can put this here, but it's easy enough to tie it off to a tree, often when you have trees. And the other poles are for this.